Tadpole. And today, I want to show you my new shirt.
So just got new shirts. I want you to put in the comments.
Does this look like a bowling shirt?
Does it look like a shirt
doctor would wear? Or does it look like it's a Hawaiian shirt without the flowers? Anyway, today we're going to look at, so IVMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 25th question from Digital SAT Test 2 modules to the Bluebook app. These are set of writing questions. Number 25 reads, which choice, context, logical, transition. Always read that question so you know how to approach it. When you see answer choices, read that question. You know that you got to determine whether what comes before and after the blank shows similarity or difference. Let's go to the passage. Organisms have evolved a number of surprising adaptations to ensure the survival in adverse conditions. Tadpole shrimp, scientific name, embryos, can pause development for over 10 years during an extended period of drought. So what we get before is it's surprising adaptation, and it can help you survive adverse, which means difficult, challenging conditions. After that, is that similar, different? It looks similar. So it's not going to be in contrast because that's just different. So yourself that question when you looking for the logical transition. And then we're left with your answer choices. Consequently, it does not show difference. Actually means as a result. Now, when you use the word consequence, usually choose a negative connotation, as in you will if you break the rules, suffer the consequences. But just means as a result. And although as a result shows similarity, what we get after is not a result. It's an example. And also meanwhile, we'll be like, hey, at the same time, this was happening. That doesn't make sense either. We've got a statement and then an example of that statement after. So answer is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If this video click like, you can share it with someone who has difficulty with these transition questions. Is there any questions you'd like to answer? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to. If you want to click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1 minute video. It's probably below this. Go to IVMasters Learning Center. It's test 2 module 2A. These are set of reading questions. Short videos are on the bottom. Have a great day.